शाहरुख खान को यूं ही नहीं बॉलीवुड का बादशाह कहा जाता है। आज रिलीज हुई डियर जिंदगी, इस फिल्म का काफ़ी अच्छा पब्लिक रिव्यू मिला। लोगों का कहना है कि ये फिल्म एक इंस्पिरेशनल फिल्म है और आपको बताती है कि कैसे डिप्रेशन से निकला जाए। जहाँ तक आलिया की एक्टिंग की बात है तो उन्होंने भी कमाल की एक्टिंग की है। गौरी शिंदे ने इससे पहले भी अपने डायरेक्शन की एबिलिटी को प्रूव किया है और इस फिल्म में भी प्रूव किया है। लोगों का कहना है कि इस तरह की इंस्पिरेशनल फिल्म बनाना काफ़ी ज़रूरी है क्योंकि एंटरटेनमेंट ही सब कुछ नहीं होता है। थैंक्स।
Okay, and Alia Bhatt?
Alia Bhatt is fantastic.
What about the story? Actually,
Story was
कितने स्टार देंगे out of 5?
5
How was the film?
Thank you, 4 star.
कितने शाहरुख की एक्टिंग कैसी लगी? शाहरुख की एक्टिंग कैसी लगी?
It's a new concept.
And out of 5? Music side?
Really nice. Thank you.
Two time watch. Two time watch. दोबारा देखोगे आप?
Yeah.
पक्का?
Sure.
फिल्म बहुत अच्छी थी। गौरी शिंदे इज़ ऑन नेक्स्ट लेवल, सुपर।
What is the subject of the film?
सब्जेक्ट ज़िंदगी के ऊपर था और ज़िंदगी के ऊपर मतलब कि आप उदास हो तो मतलब कि कैसे आप उसको ओवरकम कर सकते हो। शाहरुख खान वॉज गुड।
What is the subject of the film?
Sir?
What is the USP? USP क्या फिल्म का?
USP इज़ व्हाट?
Story line, music, acting.
डायरेक्शन इज़ सुपर, स्क्रीन प्ले इज़ ऑसम गौरी शिंदे और कास्टिंग इज़ जैकी इज़ गुड। थैंक यू।
Ma'am. How was the film?
It was amazing.
What about Shahrukh?
Shahrukh Khan is always amazing. He's too good.
What is the USP of the film?
I'll just say that Gauri Shinde always comes up with an amazing bang movie. So implementing her thought procedure along with the amazing cast has come up with a good flow.
It's a complete entertainer.
I'll say an entertaining movie, but more of a thought process movie. So you have to keep your heart and your mind together, not only that comic role and comedy stuff.
Out of 5?
Definitely a fan.
Two time watch.
Won't really suggest, but if you are a Shah Rukh Khan fan, definitely should go.
The film was really good.
What is the USP of the film?
The USP is
Barely. It's only Alia Bhatt and Shah Rukh
like
Khan.
there's a lot of dialogue in the film, जो usually movies में नहीं होता. Like
3.5.
a large part of the film has a lot of conversation between the two of them, जो usually इतना दिखता नहीं है movies में. If you understand, like one-on-one conversation between two characters.
What is the direction of Gauri Shinde?
It is really good.
शाहरुख की एक्टिंग कैसी थी?
Shahrukh was very good.
एंड आलिया भट्ट की एक्टिंग कैसी थी?
She was also fantastic.
How many star? How many star?
3.5.
How was the film? Last. How was it?
It was good.
What is the USP of the film? USP क्या है इसका?
अच्छा है. It's like very well connected and different concept connected to the youngsters.
What about Shahrukh's acting?
It's good. He ran off.
And Alia?
And she's also good.
Out of 5?
4.
Second, two time watch, one time watch.
2 time watch.
Thanks, sir.
It was very amazing. Shah Rukh Khan's role is totally different this time and he's playing a therapist. So it's actually all of us should watch it because if you have any problems in life and you can't tell it to other people, so it's about that, dealing with your problems, how to deal with them and how to cope up with stress in your life.
What is the USP of the film as such?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay, and what about Alia?
Alia is playing a very amazing role.
What about the direction side? Gauri Shinde direction?
Direction is very good.
It's a two time watch.
100 time watch. I love the
Out of
movie.
5?
Music was excellent. The composition by Amit Trivedi was excellent.
Out of 5? Out of 5?
4 stars.
Shahrukh's acting.
Shah Rukh acting was actually brilliant. From many time he has done.
Alia's.
Alias was also good.
What is the USP of the film as such?
USP, I think the concept of the girl coming out from stress, the daily anxiety. It's a good concept because right now the various people are facing from it. So it is, I think, the USP.
It's very beautiful, and the one thing you should understand that you should love your zindagi, what the movie tells you to do.
Okay, what is the USP of the film as such?
Shah Rukh is the USP, and Alia is the magic for the
But
movie.
the film is a bit slow, so what would you say about it?
No, the movie is not bit slow. You need to understand what the topic is about the movie because the topic is about that you need. It is about a psychiatrist telling you how to deal with the movie, and when you are talking with someone, it takes a longer time to make you understand. So it is about that, and if you are involved in the movie, it doesn't make you feel that you are sitting in the place at a longer time or anything like that.
What about the music part?
Music is made not to listen on the earphones or in the iPod. It is mainly made for the movie. It is specially made only for the movies so that you can go to the rhythm and go towards the storyline of the movie.
Lastly, this kind of inspirational movies should be made more in the future.
Yeah, and this is the next stage which has been created for the film in the film industry, which they should keep relating it to it and should keep making the same movies.
How much of stars would you rate?
Been a bang on performance, very commendable performance. So
How was the music? Did you enjoy it?
The music was pretty good. I won't say it was something too good to look after, but yeah, the acting was so good that the entire movie went.
And what was the pace of the movie? It was slow, average, fast.
I won't say it was a very fast movie or it's a very slow movie. Yeah, at a point you might feel that they're stretching the movie a bit, but then when you have such an amazing cast and crew, I don't think no one would want to get up and get out
So
of
do
it.
you think more inspirational movies like this should be made in the future? in
Definitely, if you target towards the teenager and you make movies like they made with Urta Punjab. Similarly, even this movie is somewhat like that. It's always about teenagers, and we really need some movies like this. Like
So what lesson do you learn from this film as such?
that when you're getting into depression, that is not the end of the chapter. You don't always want to go suicide or want to cry and sit at home. There's always going to be someone who's going to give you that hand, and you need to recognize that hand and get out of it.
Is there a fun side to the film?
There are fun sides. The way he's shown the therapy, it's not that boring therapy जो बचपन में दिखाते थे कि डॉक्टर लेके बैठे हैं. It's not like that. It's a fun, different activities which are going on. So I think it's very nice.
How much time will you give?